So we're gonna take you back into her little garden. It is the most charming little thing you've ever seen, so come on. Even this is just the best character. You feel like you're coming into like a little secret garden.
I call this
Secret
garden
garden.
the French Quarter, the New Orleans garden.
Yes.
Because in the French Quarter, this is all the yard they would have.
Yeah, that's right.
This would be it. And
So tell us why you've chosen to do, we talked about it a little bit earlier, I think it's very good to know, the mulch and the brick and just the reason why you made these choices back here.
okay. Well, I have 2 giant trees here in the backyard. And the tree roots are dense. I cannot even dig a hole.
Yeah.
So it has become impossible almost for me to garden in the ground. And I've tried all kind of things here in this area, in the center. I've tried grass. I've tried 2 different kinds of ground cover. They just can't make it. The
Yeah.
roots just eat it up.
Yeah.
And so this year I have gone to mulch.
Yep.
I think that's going to be permanent.
I love it. Mulch, and then you also have brick, you have pea gravel. It's such a cool shape that you've done. How did you just come up with that?
I did.
You
My
just
husband
kinda-
and I put all this in years and years ago.
You just kind of followed the natural
Yes.
landscape of things. Wow, I love it.
So I have so much color in the other parts of the yard.
Yeah.
I just decided to do a color themed garden.
Yeah.
And my color is white. I have little touches of other color, but it's predominantly white.
Yeah. I think they call these moon gardens to just have all white
Because white just really shows up
glows.
at night.
Yes. Oh, how fun to sit back here in the evenings, and it's so protected. So from the
Well, it's very, very cozy back here and nice.
It's not easy to garden in the Texas Panhandle.
Well,
It comes
you
with,
have to know how to. You have to
do.
know what to do.
yeah.
You,
So
it's good to know which plants do well here. It's and the soil preparation.
Yeah.
Those are the keys.
and it is just trial and error.
And if it says plant it in the sun, plant it in the sun. If it says plant in the shade, plant it in the shade. Read the plant tags.
Yes.
I always say read the plant tag.
Yes, and
So-
then also pay attention to our zone and what's
Yes.
going to come back. I see a lot of people plant things in their front yards, and you can tell they've spent quite a bit of money on it, and they're not.
It's never going to
No,
do well.
no.
Well, I've loved having you in my garden.
I'm so thankful that we got to come here. Thank you so much for watching another episode of Garden Club. We have loved Barbara's garden so much. I'm so happy we got to come here today. If you want to see any notes, watch any other Garden Club videos, just head to our blog and everything's there.